In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your profile name on Google Chrome. Whether you're setting up a new profile or simply want to refresh your browser's look, these steps will guide you through the process with ease. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome and take a look at the top right corner of the browser. Here, you'll notice an icon representing your current profile. This icon could be a picture or an initial, depending on what you have set previously. Click on this profile icon to open a drop-down menu. Once the menu appears, look for the option that says Customize Profile. Selecting this option will bring you to a screen where you can make various customizations to your Chrome profile, including the name change we're focusing on today. Now that you're in the customization area, direct your attention to the field labeled Name. You'll see your current profile name displayed here. Simply click on this field to highlight it and enter the new name you wish to use for your profile. This name is how your profile will be identified within Chrome, so be sure to choose something that's meaningful and easy to recognize. While you're on this screen, you'll also notice options to further personalize your profile. Though optional, you may find it fun to explore these customization features. For instance, you can select a theme color that complements your new profile name, adding a splash of color that will frame your browser as you navigate the web. Additionally, there's the option to change your profile avatar. This can be especially helpful if you often switch between multiple profiles, as the unique avatar makes it easier to distinguish between them at a glance. Once you've made all your desired changes, whether it's just updating the name or indulging in a full profile makeover, the process is almost complete. There's no need to click any Save button. Google Chrome automatically saves any changes you make in this section. To finish up, simply close the tab. Your new profile name, along with any other customizations, will be saved and ready for use the next time you open Chrome. And that's it. You've successfully updated your Google Chrome profile name. This simple change can help personalize your browsing experience and keep things organized, particularly if you share your computer with others or manage multiple accounts. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our channel for more helpful tech tips and tutorials. See you next time.